Warm welcome to all of you to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Okay, so welcome to all of you to be learning another type of sentences that is called interrogative sentences. Yes, interrogative sentences are very common and we all love it, right? What do you mean by interrogative sentences? Tell me. Yes? Who can tell me? No guess? Okay, I will tell you. Okay. So let us see. Interrogative sentences. So all interrogative sentences ask a question. So all of you like, right, to ask question. So they end with a question mark. See this question mark. Okay. So it is easily identified. These sentences start with words do, how, who, what, where, when, why. Okay. So now if your mom will ask, drink this cup of milk. Okay. So why mama, why to drink milk? Okay. How it is going to help me? See the question marks? Yes, so many questions you will get. So right from the time we are a child, small child, we will be asking questions. So interrogative questions are very important and very common, okay, at all ages. The questions may be yes or no questions, okay. So either it is affirmative or negative. Example, why do you think we should always think of God? Okay, your mom and dad will say, pray to God. Okay, you will say, why should we pray to God? Who is God? Where is God? We'll keep on asking so many questions, right? So, why do you think we should always think of God? It's a question. Okay, why? Then, did you know he is a doctor? So, he looks so simple. He doesn't look like a doctor. So, do you know that he is a doctor? Did you know he is a doctor? Okay, you're asking. Who was the first president of India? Yes, your teacher is asking you as soon as you enter in the class. Who was the first president of India? Come on, tell me. Who was the first prime minister of India? Do you know? She will ask. Okay. Then, how old are you? So, you are asking a question. How old are you? When will you come next? You are asking your friend, she is coming every day to meet you. So, you will ask, when will you come next? Yes, because you are waiting to talk to her more and more. Okay. So, practice sentence. How was your day today? You are asking your mama or your father or your sister, brother, anyone whom you meet. You can ask this question to your friend also. Okay. How was your day today? Yes. Then, do the rose plants need to be watered daily? You have got many rose plants, okay. So, you are asking because your mother is going for some days outside. So, you are asking her. So, do the rose plants need to be watered daily? You are asking your mom, okay. So, which direction do you want to go? So, now you are asking your driver. Which direction you are going? Which direction you want to go? You want to go to the left or to right to take me to my destination? Okay. So, which direction do you want to go? When was the last time you met him? Yes, you are asking. Your mom is asking. When was the last time when you met him or her? Okay. Where do you live? You want to ask somebody where they are living. So, you should ask, where do you live? Okay. So, which color dress do you prefer? White or red? You're asking. Whom did you call for dinner this Sunday? Your father asked your mother. Whom did you call for dinner this Sunday? Okay. Did he get his book? Did he get his book? See the question mark from the way, the style you're speaking, that shows that it is a question. It is not a sentence. If I say, did he get his book? There's no question, right? So if I'll ask, did he get his book? See the expression, did he get his book? Yes. Why didn't you practice the maths exercise? Your teacher is getting angry on you. See the expression on the face? Why didn't you practice your maths exercises? Yes. Will you be able to do this work? Your teacher asks, she has given you so much work, or your boss asks you, will you be able to do this work in time? He wants in time. So these are all the sentences. Let us do it again. Which color dress do you prefer, white or red? Whom did you call for dinner this Sunday? Did he get his book? Why didn't you practice the maths exercises? Will you be able to do this work in time? So it's all question mark ending, and it is starting with which, whom, did, why and will. Okay? So I hope you have understood what is interrogative questions and what are the sentences prevailing in that. So thank you for watching Shri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. I pray that all of you are happy and safe, and let the light of love, grace and hope be transferred to you. Thank you so much. Sai Ram.